After you log into Lead Assist the first time, the first thing that you want to do is establish an integration to get your leads into the platform. Click on Integrations in the upper right-hand corner, then click Existing Integrations. For this example, we're going to use Facebook. So click the top one that says Facebook, and you want to continue as your name. I didn't have to do that because I already made an integration. When you do that, it's going to ask you which page you want to connect. So you're just going to scroll and find your page. Then you're going to hit next. Make sure that all these permissions are on, and then click done. After that's happened, it's going to tell you that you have successfully linked Lead Assist to your Facebook page. Then click OK. Then what you're going to do is go down here where it says select Facebook business page, and then choose the page that you just integrated and click done. And you want to give it a name. I'll call this one Homes for Heroes so I can identify it later, and then hit save. You're going to get a pop-up message that says your integration has been saved. Please close this browser window and go back to the Lead Assistant app and refresh the integrations page. Simply click OK. So we're going to go and close those windows. We're going to go back into the Lead Assist app, go to integrations, and you're going to see that the page is now showing and it has a green dot. If you ever change your Facebook password, you're going to need to update your integration. And you'll have a little red dot there. And also we're going to send you a notification that lets you know that we have lost connection to your page.